Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube channel names. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. To make the video more informative, I will teach you how to change the username, channel name, picture, channel banner, your personal link and channel description. Watch this video to the end and you will not have to watch other videos on these issues. So on the main page, click on your logo in the upper right corner and go to the YouTube studio. Next, on the left side, select customization. Here you can customize your home page, then select branding and see that here we can change the profile picture, banner image and video watermark. Be sure to read the recommendations from YouTube and upload images of the right size. Next, go to the free tab Basic Info. On this page you can change the name of your channel and handle. Add a description for your channel and make a personal link. You can also add a translation into another language, links to your social networks and email. That's how simple it is. After all the changes, do not forget to click publish in the right corner. Also watch my other videos about YouTube at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.